Hey guys, I'm Solange. If you're watching this, then you're a part of our sneak peek into the life of a Beachbody coach and how we're able to work on building our lives by design. So, the most common question that we get, of course, is the cost of becoming a coach. There are a couple ways that you can sign up to be a coach. The very first way is to sign up with the basic fee of $39.95. So you go to the website of the person who invited you, click on coach, select become a coach, and fill out the form, all the information, pay your $39.95, and you have become a coach. Now, with that comes a $15.95 monthly fee. This is like a membership fee. It is what will keep you active as a coach, whether you've chosen to run your business, grow your business, or if you've chosen to dabble a little bit in coaching while enjoying the 25% discount. This fee also takes care of the maintenance of your websites as well as providing that customer service, 24/7 customer service to your customers. The second way that you can sign up, and actually the way that I would recommend signing up, is through a challenge pack. And what that means is the combination of Shakeology and a program, a workout program. So take, for example, the 21-day fix. With that challenge pack, you receive your 30-day supply of Shakeology, the nutrition guides, the other manuals, DVDs, the 7 portion control containers, as well as access to a 30-day trial of Beachbody on demand. By signing up with a challenge pack, that $40 or $39.95 coach sign-up fee is waived. You're getting started in a way that provides most value for your money. You have your nutrition, you have your program, and you definitely have the support of our team. It also helps you get your customers started in the best way possible to ensure them results. So say, for example, you've already committed in the past to a Beachbody program as well as drinking Shakeology. So you could call customer service, have them cancel that Shakeology order, and say you want to move on to a program like the 21-day Fix Extreme. So we can get you started with that challenge pack and as well as take you on your journey through coaching, through Coach Basics. The third way you can sign up is through the military discount. So Beachbody is honoring our current and past service members and their spouses with additional discounts. Now that $15.95 that we spoke about earlier, that monthly fee, will be waived if you sign up with the military discount. It's just an extra way of saying thank you to our veterans and our current service members as well as the families who show them support. Last thing, the club membership fee. Remember when we spoke about the challenge pack and what comes along with it? You get that 30-day free trial membership into Beachbody On Demand, allowing you to stream Beachbody programs anywhere you go. So this costs $38.87 quarterly. Now you may decide that this is not something for you, but you have that option to try it out during those 30 days. And if you decide that it makes no sense for you to keep it, that you don't benefit from the personalized meal planning or the talks with the trainers, the one-on-one talks with the trainers, the sneak peeks into different programs that we have. If you decide that this is not for you, you can do without the extra support, then opt in, opt out at any time. So being a Team Beachbody coach is not a huge investment. The investment is in yourself and the goals that you want to accomplish with your health, wellness, and fitness. You don't have to stock any products. There's no minimum sales requirement. You can be as active or as inactive as you'd like to be. And being active simply means that you're drinking Shakeology every day, you're following a workout program, and you're leading by example. Being inactive, on the other hand, means that you're not drinking Shakeology every day, you're not doing a program, the program or the workouts, and you're not helping anyone meet their health, wellness, and fitness goals. I truly hope that this adds some clarity to your decision to become a Beachbody coach, and we do hope that we see you and we can work alongside you to build that life by design. Be sure to reach out to the person who invited you to this group.